Oh, I'm cooking again. Also, for you guys who have bought my cool merch, don't dry the aprons because they shrink apparently. Mine's got a little shrinky. Anyways, today we're making this cool thing I saw on the TikToks of this like super viral like sandwich with the eggs and bread and stuff like that. So first thing you do is you're gonna get 3 eggs. Put them in a pan with good and buttered, not buttered up pan. Take 2 pieces of bread. And you gotta take 1 piece. Boom. Take another piece. Boom. Now you gotta let it cook a little bit, you know, because you gotta let it cook. Because if it doesn't cook, you eat raw eggs. If you eat raw eggs, you get like salmonella and trichinosis and all kinds of junk like that. And you don't want any of that stuff. Just let my eggs cook here. The key to this is you gotta get a good flip in with the eggs and stuff. So when then it cooks, you get a good flip. I've seen a couple videos on this on the internet, and sometimes people get great flips, and sometimes they don't get great flips. I feel a lot of pressure here. A lot of pressure here to get a good flip for you guys. Oh boy. So still look a little runny here. They probably use like editing and stuff, you know, but not me. This is all real. This is the first time I've ever made it. We're all learning. It's a learning curve for all of us here. It's looking. Oh, it's starting to get good. Ooh. This is the boring part of the video right now. Maybe we should cut here till it comes ready to come back. Okay, we're back again. And hopefully I can let it sit here long enough. So what I did, I'm waiting for it to get so the eggs start feeling firm before I try to flip it the whole thing over. Because if they aren't feeling nice and firm, then the eggs will go goofy. I wish I had like 2 things. Oh boy. Get this boy underneath there. Loosen up this side over here. Oh boy, I just kind of wrecked it a little bit. Yeah! Oh, yeah, so close! Okay, there we go. We're looking good now. Woo! You see how I did that? It got a little bit goofy on one side there. I used 2 things. I don't know. So now, I'm gonna take, so I got some turkey here. What, turkey? And I got 2 pieces of provolone. On the videos on the internet, a lot of people use like plain old American cheese, but I'm not a plain old American like that. I use better cheeses because I'm a better person. So I'm putting these on here. Oh boy. Now we're gonna let this cook. I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit until the heat starts going up and melting the cheeses a little bit. And it's cooking the eggs on the underside now. And hopefully it cook long enough that the eggs will get a little crispy down there, and it'll be like a little bit, almost like some kind of you can call it like toasted, cheesy, grilled cheese. That's the word I'm looking for. I've seen a lot of videos where they take this stuff down there and they flip it over. See that? Oh, flipping. This is flipping beautiful is what it is. Flipping beautiful, I tell you. Look at that nice head. Woo! Zoom in here. Zoom in. Look at that. Woo! Like a razor. Woo! This is looking great here. I'm gonna let it go just a few more, a little bit right here, and then we're gonna be like, you can be like, woo! I like to blast the heat on at the end to really get a little bit of sizzle on the bottom of it. Oh, this is so exciting. I wonder if this is one of those things where like I should wait till it cools down till I eat it, or if I should just bite it right away and burn my mouth. I wish it was like live and you guys could like vote on that, you know? That'd be great. Flipping it over. Oh, look at that thing! Look at beautiful! Look at that! Whoa! I maybe outdid myself today. Whoa, how hot is it? Not too bad. I think I can eat it right away. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's very too hot to touch. Let's come back in 5 minutes. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. I'm gonna cut it in half. I bet the cheese might be a little melty in there. Some people cut straight, some people cut diagonally. That's your call. I cut them a straight cutter. Oh, yeah, the cheese. Look at the cheese got all gooey and yummy in there. Oh, look at the steam coming off. It's still pretty hot, but hey, it's hot. Look at this. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. That's fantastic. Sometimes things on the internet don't live up to the hype. This does. Send this one to the hype house. See you next week. Buy my stuff.